Hey folks, how y'all doing today? We have got a rainy one today, and I want to do some sawing. I got to get my sawing quota done for the week, and I'm running out of time. It's been raining for the last day or so, and I'm trying to saw, but you know, it's tough. It's hard to do anything in the rain. It's just part of it. I'd like to go inside and watch some YouTube videos, but I gotta run a sawmill. I'm just kind of free sawing today. Don't have anything really planned. I'm just trying to get through some nasties. Not all logs are really good. This is a pretty nice white oak. Got one more opening face to make, but I got quite a few more to do, and I have to hit my quota for the week. If I don't saw enough logs, I don't get any money. So, rain or shine, Old Orange has got to be running. One of the things I don't like about an LT-70, it's fairly difficult to get the bands on. My LT-40 that I used to have was a lot easier. There's too much kind of stuff in the way on a 70. But once you get it set right, put the back of the band wheel, and tension her up. This is a hydraulic ram. Puts force on the band, preloads it, and then loads it. And that's what it looks like when it's ready to saw. Close the covers. And we're good. Wood-Mizer, Baker, others put arms on their sawmills. That's to drag the boards back. But I put a modification on mine so that it holds the boards up off the deck and will drag them back on the table. Basically, all I've done was weld a small piece of steel block, onto the normal vertical side of the dragback. So if you have a dragback on your sawmill, put these shoes on here. This makes a huge difference. You'll probably double your sawing capacity as far as daily yield, because you're not having to come up here and reach for boards. They're basically dropped right by you. The main thing is you won't have to be stretching for them. They're going to drop them right where you want them. So this is a big thing. It's a little bitty piece of metal, this little dragback shoe, but it's something that you ought to put on your sawmill. It's worth every second it takes to put them on. Matter of fact, about a week after I bought this sawmill, and they didn't have these installed, these little shoes, I was so aggravated I stopped what I was doing, put them on, and life was good again. What that does is this lip then catches the bottom edge of the board as you're pushing the board off, and it holds everything up, unless you put the board exactly where you want it. Yeah, that looks nice. I got quite a few boards. Again, 21 inches wide, 22 inches wide. Beautiful feathers down them. These are gonna be prime. I'm sawing slow to get a good accurate cut in this rock hard crotch. And I think these are gonna be good. Problem is now I'm getting down into where the logs actually start to split. So now I really need to adjust my sawing pattern. Look, even Chip is perked up. He's like, oh, that's cool. Isn't that right, big man? He said, yep.
So I'm getting pretty close to this crotch. I'll probably take one more cut. And then I want to see what I'm getting into. I say the key when sawing oak, white oak especially, you gotta go slow. If you go too fast, you're gonna get all kinds of problems. So you want to enter slow, just keep it slow. I don't know if you can hear it, but the saw blade's got a good sound to it. I'm just going to run these all the way down. I already know what's on the other side of this log. This camp's kind of nasty, so I'm just going to take some flat saw boards all the way down.
I was able to drag back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 boards. Didn't have to move them until I was done with them. Now, if you're sawing alone, this is a huge advantage because that means I can just rock and roll on the wood as I'm sawing it. Especially since I know what my grain pattern is going to look like, because I've already been on 3 sides of this cant and I know where the good wood is and I know where the bad wood is. Hey folks, I hope y'all enjoyed watching us saw this crotchety old log. Like most crotchety things, you gotta hunt for some of the good, but it's in there. So you got to see us hunt for some real nice feathered boards, 8 feet long. They're gonna look great. They're gonna finish out great. When we sell them, whoever buys them is gonna have a remarkable piece of wood to put in their house or to build their furniture out of. And we're real proud of that. We want people to look at our wood and go, wow, that's what we're trying to do. That's what we strive to do. Come visit us sometime. We're up in North Alabama, just to the east of Huntsville. Go to our webpage, hobbyhardwoodalabama.com. Drop us a note, or just swing on by and take a look at some of this wood. Another beautiful sunset at the Hobby Hardwood. It's getting dark. Time to go home.